I just want to showcase our peace lilies that we've got in stock. This is not the standard normal peace lilies. This is the jet diamond. Why it's called the jet diamond is you've got those striations in there and variegation a little bit. Then this is aura, where we've got yellow in between mixed with the white, and some leaves will have a lot. Each leaf are different and unique, and you can see when we give them a lot of light you get this bigger portions, and low light you don't see the yellow, so a lot of light. And then we've got the Picasso, and this was in our tunnel, so it's not used to this heat. You can see you've got your diamond striation, and then you've got these nice big yellow splashes, and when the leaf is old that yellow will turn white. You can see it there. This is actually a better one. Look there, it starts out yellow and then it will turn nice and white. So if you're looking for something really different, this is what we've got for you at the moment. We've got limited stock, so don't waste time. If you don't order it, it might be gone. We actually sold 30 of the jet diamonds last week, so and I don't know how many is left, so don't wait and don't procrastinate. Thanks and enjoy your day. Bye bye.